Hello everyone, my name is Abdurrahman and I am Uyghur, originally from East Turkestan where my people face constant religious and cultural oppression. In order to maintain our freedom, my family and I left our hometown when I was 11. We moved here to Istanbul, Turkey, where I currently live. I started school 4 years late due to government's political education system. I was 10 years old in the first grade and it wasn't easy, but I refused to give up. In a single semester, I passed 2 competency exams and skipped 2 grades. After arriving in Turkey, I learned Turkish within 2 months and skipped yet another grade, completing all of primary school in just 1 year. In middle school, I graduated with a 96 out of 100 diploma score and scored 478 out of 500 on the LGS exam, placing the top 0.3 nationwide. That achievement earned me a place at Yaşar Science High School, where I maintained an annual GPA above 85 every grade. Meanwhile, I worked various jobs: dishwasher, waiter, chauffeur, factory worker, barista, to support myself, as we had to leave everything behind. Despite these challenges, I never lost sight of my dream, artificial intelligence. After graduating high school, I studied intensively for international exams. In just 6 months of preparation, I scored 1370 on SAT and 7 on the IELTS, opening doors to universities worldwide. Recently, I received an unconditional offer to study robotics and artificial intelligence at the University of Exeter, a highly competitive program shaping the future of AI. However, the tuition alone exceeds £30,000, which is far beyond my means. That is why I am reaching out. I believe AI can be a force for positive change, especially for marginalized communities like mine, not just a driver of profit. By supporting my education, you are investing in someone who aims to use technology for cultural preservation, human rights, and innovations that benefit everyone. Any help you can offer, whether it's sharing my story, offering financial support, or most importantly, taking time to learn more about Uyghurs' situation and sharing it, means the world to me. My journey has shown me that knowledge, determination, and community support can overcome even the toughest barrier. Thank you for your listening, and any support you can offer is appreciated.